Hi, my name is Tom Wilder. I'm with Sequent Medical based in California. Well, it's terrific to be back in Paris, the city of light. LINNC is a global meeting. There are cases being presented from 7 centers on 4 different continents. And in the French tradition of intellectual inquiry and passionate debate, here we are talking about data again and treatment alternatives for patients with ischemic and hemorrhagic stroke. So I'm very glad to be back at a very important meeting in the neurospace. We've got terrific momentum at Sequent. We're very, very busy. We've done over 1,700 cases treating aneurysms with the web embolization aneurysm system. We've presented now outstanding results from 100 patients enrolled in our first 2 formal European studies. We're making progress in a bunch of other trials. Our 4th generation product, the Web 21, which is a lower profile system, is now in broad use in Europe. So things are going great. We've got a bunch more to come. Very important is that symbiotic relationship between industry and clinical practitioner. We need feedback and guidance on our product performance and future R&D development. In fact, a lot of our ideas come from direct interaction with physicians at these meetings. We treated in 2 formal studies with previous generation web devices a series of 100 broad neck bifurcation aneurysms, which have historically been very difficult to treat with other means. And we've presented very, very good safety outcomes and highly compelling 12-month effectiveness outcomes as well. So it bodes well for future broad adoption of this technology in the treatment of cerebral aneurysms. What I see is a growing demand from physicians, hospitals, and healthcare payors, whether it's national healthcare systems or private insurance systems, for more clinical data. If I could take anything away that's changed is countries face huge problems funding their healthcare systems, and they're going to be increasingly insistent on data that demonstrates the devices work. And that's a new recurring theme. Again, it's through a partnership. The physicians participate in the clinical studies to gather the data, but it's important that industry take the initiative to provide the products and the funding so some of these trials can proceed. We have a lot more coming. We've got very deep technology, including future generation web products and some other important entries in other product segments.